Alright guys, somehow there was a way to get into this area over here. Like there's a ledge to come out on, and I don't know how we got on this trail. I'm so confused. Anyway, I'm gonna try to make it down over to that side somewhere, but I just wanted to get some footage of this area here. This is just such a magical spot. Excuse me if the footage is a little rough, but keep in mind I'm kind of looking around and I'm also trying to watch my footing. I'm gonna take you guys up here for a minute because I see something. Why does it get bright like that? See right in front of that white? I can't tell if that's an opening, like a dark opening, or something more. Yeah, see. Wow, look at that on top of the pine tree. Just right on top. Go ahead. I'll wait. Tell me that's something different. Tell me that's not anything amazing. Look at that. People of the trees. It's not always a Sasquatch, friends. It's not always a Sasquatch. We are going to dive into all that soon, okay? And I'm no expert at all. And I actually want to have everyone's help, honestly. I want to learn too. I'm not trying to say like I'm here to... I'll educate with what I can educate, and I hope to be educated as well. Alright. I am loving this so much. Unreal. Unreal. Oh, it's just a beautiful, beautiful place. And then it actually looks like you could go down and get closer. So we're gonna break off of that trail and try to get down here. Oh, this is steep. I've got a long drive after this too. It's been a long time. I've been out here quite a while. That's a beautiful rock. I'm gonna take the rock hammer out here next time. Possibly crack open a couple, see what's what. I suggest if people are interested in that, it's definitely something fun to do. I'm a rookie I bought a rock hammer. That's about as far as I got. I'll go down to like creek beds and stuff when I get a cool vibe off. I don't know what I'm looking for, so I go off vibes, like things I feel. Okay. Wow. A lot of bugs out here for this time of year. A lot of butte. Look at how perfectly square that wall is. It's freaking amazing. Oh, okay. Kind of tripped backwards. Maybe it was meant to be. Oh yeah, look at this. Go out this way. That's a nice little overlook spot too. What a beautiful, beautiful place. It's so quiet up here. There's a big X on top of the hill, like at the very top. I think that's accidental. I didn't notice it until now, mind you, you might see faces in the rocks and stuff. That is not pareidolia. Sometimes it could be like something looks like a face, just but you want to look at it on a large scale and a smaller scale. I don't want to explain it half-assed, and that's what's going to end up happening if I start to. Man, my right ear keeps getting this super intense pressure. So I want to just now refer you to Roger at Mud Fossil University. Mud Fossil University is the channel. And just dive in. If you're interested, just dive in. If you're interested in the biology of the globe and what stuff really actually is, right? What I always talk about. Sasquatch doesn't treat a rock different than a person, different than a deer, different than a tree. It's all the same. It's all equal. It all has life. That was one of our early messages, right? They gave me a rock. That rock that had a heart in it looked like it had a heart inside and a vessel coming off of it. And the message was everything has life. I couldn't really fully appreciate where that was going at the time. Probably a year or two from now, I'll appreciate that even more, because I'll have learned more. Big red flag. If somebody tells you they got it all figured out, like, having answers is one thing, because they will give us all answers. But to say they gave you everything or you figured it out, I like that one. When people, they don't even get the answers from the Sasquatch, they just figured it all out. Alright, guys. It's a lot of work banging on these rocks. Yeah, I have no idea how we got there, guys. This trail comes out this way. I have no idea how we landed on here. I'm gonna have to watch the footage back. Maybe it'll tell us something. Alright, guys, as always, thank you. Thank you. Hope you have a blessed day. What is that? What is that? What the hell? That is a trip. Look in between those rocks too, right there. Where's that? That's the big one. It's over here somewhere. The big one on there. Go over. Oh, it's right there. Wait, where? In between there. See the black in between those? Looks like iron sights, like a U. What's that dark in between? Beautiful day. Alright guys, have a blessed day. Stay safe.